Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is going to be an eyebrow wax demonstration sponsored by Tress Wellness. Everything I'm going to use in this video is by Tress Wellness as far as the products and the wax. So I'm going to use their pre-wax cleanser, I'm going to use their after wax oil, and I'm going to use their wax beans. They're all wax beans. So I hope you guys learned something from this video, and I hope you enjoy. So when it comes to waxing eyebrows, the first thing you want to do is brush them out with a spoolie. Unfortunately, I couldn't find mine. So that's the only reason why I'm using this little Q-tip. But you want to brush them out, and then you want to trim any long hairs that would interfere with your shaping. So that's the first step. Brush them out and trim. Of course, you have to prep the skin first by cleaning it. But as far as actually shaping the brows, the first step will be to brush them out and trim. And then I like to start underneath and get as close as I can to her natural arch without going in too much. And as you can see, they are already looking real good. So then I'm gonna get another stick of wax and I'm just gonna go over that area one more time, and this time I'm making the strip thinner. Okay, you guys, now it's time to go to the top of her brow, and you just do the same thing. Get as close as you can. Make sure that you do not get any wax on the hairs that you want to stay, because they are going to come off and mess up your whole brow. Just to be on the safe side, I do stay away from the brow as much as I can. Like, if you're not comfortable with getting real close, don't. Just ease your way up. Don't try to go in real close like the first time. Just work your way closer to the brow. Also, eyebrows are sisters. They are not twins. As you can see, this eyebrow does not have the same kind of arch that the other eyebrow had. Therefore, they will not look identical, but I will try to get them to look as much alike as possible. There are multiple hairs on that strip, and I did go higher up in I think the tail of her eyebrow to try to give her that arch that's missing. Notice how high I laid the bulk of the wax. about maybe a half an inch from her eyebrow. And then I move in with the wax. You do not want to put a lot of wax on, like, near her eyebrow, basically. You could drop it on her whole brow and then mess around and have to give her a bald spot, anything. So I like to put the bulk of the wax far away and move forward, just like that. Y'all, we were literally having the best conversation ever. If you look at her eyes, she has been talking to me with her eyes this whole wax. But now it's time to do her unibrow. I guess that's what you'll call it, to make sure she doesn't have a unibrow. And you want to go in real thin because when there's not much hair on the particular area that you're waxing, you don't put much wax. Thin hairs require a thin layer of wax to be picked up. And then if you have a little wax just stuck on her skin, you just use the shiny side of your strip and it comes right off, just like it did a second ago. Now, you guys, I am a tweezaholic. So after you wax both eyebrows, you will go back in with your finest tweezers to grab these little hairs around her brow. So this is another reason why you don't have to get as close, because you can always go back and get those little fine hairs. Do not mess up the whole brow trying to get a couple of hairs when you can always just go back and tweeze them. Now, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. The link to purchase will be in the description. For all business inquiries, email me at newwaxbar@gmail.com. Bye-bye.